What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Virgin Galactic Holdings update, stock symbol SPCE. And we have been getting pummeled the last couple of days on the $500 million offering news. And let's take a quick peek at the charts here. Not looking great the last couple of days, just gigantic sell-off to start the week after that announcement. And we've kind of continued the downtrend here, slight spike up at opening, and then just riding that wave back down. So here, well, let's go quick to the RSI is almost into the oversold category here, just touching it right here. And our MACDs are looking not that good. So here is the $500 million offering here, and so I wanted to share a couple of things on this. First of which is the short volume ratio, which is very high at 28.69%. Short interest is 28 million shares of this are being shorted, which is absurd. Very high short squeeze score here at 181 out of 9165. 81.1 is the short squeeze score. Looks like a lot of shares available to short, and the short bar fee rate is almost non-existent at 1%. I wanted to share a couple of thoughts on this. This is perfect right here. Posted by Category Objective 488. The absurdity of investor reaction. Most expected Spce to move higher on Monday, which is where the stock was until the announced sale of $500 million in stock by Virgin Galactic. Let's forget the idiotic timing of such an announcement. Investors clearly lost at the affect on valuation. First, remember what this act positions SPAC to be more financially healthy company. But yes, I already hear, what about diluted volume of my stock? So this is huge here. Spce market cap is $9.8 billion, and selling off $500 million is roughly a 5% dilution to your stock. Yet this knee-jerk sell-off was for over 17%, and I think it's down more today. Investors live in such fear. The truth is that the higher the stock price is, the less shares need to be sold. So a drop in price is really a reaction to an uninformed investor. SPAC's business is that of the future brought current. They are in the business of bringing dreams to reality. The stock will unquestionably spike far above the 51 it dropped from to a stratospheric number. Is that worth a hold? Remember that they begin their business of tourism dreams next year. Today's sellers are tomorrow's fools. Here we go. The stock dropped because short-term investors bought up in advance of Richard Branson's ride and then sold afterwards. Beyond that, no one has a clue what their business model is, justified the valuation. The Spce was a pure thrill ride that can be used for some low-gravity experiments during the few minutes of free fall. It cannot be used for travel across any great distance, as it is a suborbital rocket, maybe good for 200 miles of travel. So the question is, how many seats can you sell and at what price and cost to justify the company's valuation? They already got 600 reservations for around 200 to 250K each, 150 million in revenue spread over a couple of years. And we do have some more good news from today. Canaccord Genuity maintains buy on Virgin Galactic Holdings, raised the price target to $48. Although many paper hands are selling at a loss, anything less than 40 is a big discount, which we are currently sitting at 37.81. And we do have a bunch of institutional buys over the last couple of days on this, biggest of which recently was today. The Maryland State Retirement and Pension System at 487K. We do not have an average share price yet, but I bet it's right around 37. And then we have a couple pretty big buys here at 1,000. So it's 51K. Carroll Financial Associates, or IFP Advisors, picked up 134K worth, 2,900 shares. Let's take a peek at the options flow. Looks like this is going to be a pretty tough week for a lot of people here in at the $40 strike price. The call options. Do have some 10,000 at 42, another 12,000 at 41. Ouch. 39 is not looking so hot. Even 35 is looking good for now, but I don't know. I don't know about this one. There are also tons of people on $40 put options here. Great week for the shorts. Are going to have a field day this week, I think. I guess this is going to keep going down in the short term, but long term, still a pretty solid hold here. And buy a little more if you can at this discounted price. So that is pretty much going to do it for this one, guys. As always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Spce as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I will see you in the next video.